Hi, if you want to look beautiful like this, then keep on watching.
Hey you all, how are you all doing? So this is my recreation of Ezra Miller's Met Gala 2019 look, and it's an illusion makeup. So yeah, let's dive into the tutorial. So first I took a light brown eyeshadow on a pencil brush to mark where I want the eyes to be. This is like a rough placement for the eyes, and then you can move on to a dark brown eyeshadow just to emphasize the eye shape. The more you shade, the better it is. Next, I am filling in the white of the eye with a white concealer from Makeup Revolution. And what happens is this white will interact with the foundation that is underneath. And this will actually work in your favor because the natural white of the eye is not a pure white. Next, I'm shading the lower lash with a dark brown eyeshadow because I've done the same to my actual eyes. So you want to mimic these eyes as close as possible to your natural eyes. Next, I'm roughly drawing eyeballs using a Kiko Milano dark brown kajal, and dark brown will be the best color because black will look too fake. I moved on to doing the eyeliner. I'm doing it similar to what I've done on my actual eyes, and I'm just taking my time really carving out the lines. So you can notice that the eyeliner kind of overlaps the eyeball. That is because when you open your eye, that's how the eyeliner looks like. Part of your eyeball actually, moves up and it's not visible. This might not be true for all eye shapes. It's mostly true for almond eye shapes and sometimes circle eye shapes. But yeah, you have to mimic what your actual eye looks like. So whatever works for you. Next, I'm taking this black kajal pencil to enhance the shape of the iris, and this really gives it a three-dimensional sort of an effect. And I'm drawing on some lower lashes similar to the ones on my actual eye. Next, I'm drawing on the waterline. So your waterline is sort of a whitish color, and I was wearing a white kohl pencil on the waterline as well, so I'm just mimicking that. And I'm drawing these lines on the eyeballs, which are basically to signify the light being reflected. So this is the detailing that gives a lot of three-dimensional effect, and it really starts coming to life. Next, I am placing the eyelashes, the false lashes, and you have to do it with all of the eyes that you've done, and you just place them on each eye, and this might be a bit time consuming. Next, I moved on to doing the brows for all of these eyes, and I think that this is the step that really takes the look to the next level. So you just gently draw them on, and I'm just touching up my lip here, and I think Ezra's look was really understated and it was just fabulous. It was done by this fabulous makeup artist, Mimi. I'm sure I'm pronouncing her name wrong. And there is another makeup trend that's going on, which is the tiny face makeup. So here you can see my version of tiny face. It's actually different from what's going around, but I think it's fun.